Come to the fifth problem. Our fifth problem is relating to journalize the following transactions in the books of Sairam 2019. So why I am reading the problem? Because of the transactions are relating to the company or name of the person we have to identify. So the transactions are relating to so and so person in the year of 2019 in the month of May. So first transaction, May 1st business started with 10,000. Already we have solved the first day transaction in our first four problems. So what were the first transaction in our first problem, four problems, that we know the indication about the first day transaction that will be converting into cash account data to capital account. Without identifying three rules into our first transaction, we have to convert the directly transaction into directly entry base. That will be converted as cash account data to capital account. Only the first day transaction will be converted as cash account data to capital account, and remaining all entries must be satisfied the three rules. After that we have to convert the transaction into entry. Then we have to draw the pro forma journal entries in the books of Sairam in the month of 2019 May. So we have to take the date column 2019, we have to represent the year. After that month is important, and next one date. So first day transaction will be converted as cash account data to capital account. Narration B. Business started with 1 lakh. And come to the next one. Second transaction. In our second transaction, from the second transaction to last transaction, we have to satisfy the three rules. Second one, cash deposited into bank. We have to take three representative rules: personal account, real account, and nominal account. We have to assume the personal account rule. Personal account is relating to name of the persons as well as artificial persons. So we can identify the names as well as artificial names. Cash deposited into bank. So cash deposited into bank, we don't have any non-artificial person. So come to the second one in personal account, that is artificial person. So bank is called as artificial person. Bank is called as artificial person. We are identified. It goes to personal account. Under the personal account, again we have to identify debit and credit. Cash deposited into bank. Into bank is nothing but we are depositing cash into bank, means bank is receiving. So the bank is receiving. According to personal account, receiver is always there in debit side. We can identify the rules. Personal account is relating to artificial and non-artificial person, we are identified. Under the bank is goes to debit or credit, again we have to identify. According to the rule, in debit side we have to write receiver, in credit side we have to write giver. So into bank is nothing but bank is receiving. So that's the reason I am debiting the bank, because of the bank is receiving. So the personal account rule is we are satisfied. And come to the second rule, that is real account. So real account goes to three aspects: sales, cash and asset. Real account goes to sales, cash and asset. Here we have sales part. So the sales in the rule of real account. Under the real account, again we have to identify debit and credit. Cash depositing, we are depositing cash, means cash is goes out. According to real account, goes out is there in credit side. We are identified one credit side. So the two rules and two accounting systems we are identified. First one credit and second one debit. So both we are identified. Now we can transfer the transaction into entry. Who is the receiver here according to personal account? Bank is receiver. bank account data 2. We are depositing cash. Cash is goes out. Goes out is there in credit side of real account. Worth value of transaction 10,000. After the transaction, narration is important. Being cash deposited into bank. So secondary transaction is also completed, and come to the third transaction. In third transaction also we have to satisfy the three rules. Transaction is purchase machinery from Sri. Purchase machinery from Sri 5,000. Again we have to consider the three rules. So the first rule is personal account, that will be personal and non-personal. Non-personal is nothing but artificial person. Purchase machinery from Sri. From Sri is nothing but it goes to personal account because of the name is indicating to us to identify the personal account. So under the personal account, again we have to identify debit and credit. From Sri is nothing but purchase machinery from Sri. We are purchasing machinery from Sri. So Sri is giving. So according to personal account, giver is there in credit side. Now we can take from Sri is as a credit member, and come to the next one. Before that, cancel the personal rule. And next rule is real account. Real account relating to sales. Real account relating to sales, cash, asset. Here we don't have sales, so we can cancel the sales and come to the next one, cash. Here purchase machinery from Sri. Purchase is nothing but payment. Machinery is also a part of asset. Cash is converted as, purchase is converted as cash payment. Machinery is converted as asset. Here we have two values. Cash is we are identified, asset we are identified in one transaction only, but we have to take first preference to machinery only according to the rules. Rule of account. If any transaction is having two systems in a one transaction, we have to give a first preference to properties only, means assets only. That's the reason I am giving the machinery is first preference. That again we have to know the machineries comes in or goes out according to real account. Machineries we are identified asset, under the asset is goes to real account, under the real account machinery goes to debit or credit. Purchase machinery means machinery is comes in. So according to real account, comes in is there in debit side. So we are identified is debit side. Credit here we are identified according to personal account. We are identified debit according to real account. Two values are we are identified. Now we can convert the entry. Machinery account data to Sri account, transaction worth 5,000. Narration being machinery purchased from come to the fourth transaction. In our fourth transaction also we have to satisfy the three rules. Fourth transaction is sales to Sri. So come to personal account, that two names. Sales to Srinu. Srinu is relating to personal account because of the name. Under the personal account, Sri is goes to credit or debit. That we have to identify. To Srinu is nothing but we are selling to Sinu. Sinu is receiving. According to personal account, receiver is there in debit side. So we can mark in a debit side. Sinu goes to debit side. Sales. So before that we have to cancel personal account. Then come to the real account, sales, cash, asset. Here we have sales. Sale goes to real account. Under the real account, Again we have to identify debit and credit system. Sales is nothing but goes out. We are selling. Selling is nothing but something is goes out from us. Means according to real account, goes out is there in credit side. Now we can take, it will be credit side. Debit we are identified according to personal account. Credit we are identified according to real account. Now we can convert the entry because debit and credit we must be identified. After that we have to convert the entry. Srinu account data to sales account worth is 6,000. Being sales to Srinu. And fifth transaction, in our fifth transaction also we have to satisfy the three rules. Bought missionary paid in check 10,000. Bought missionary paid in check. Bought is nothing but purchase. Bought meaning is purchase ma, and bought missionary paid in check. First we have to satisfy personal account. Bought missionary paid in check. Here we have any name of the person. There is no name of the person. But here we have check. Check will be converting into bank. So bank is nothing but artificial person. But we don't want to consider the second part of check that will be converted into